Another night and I'm just walking, city lights and people talking. I don't know where I'm supposed to go. I wonder if you got that feeling, staring at your bedroom ceiling, and think about me the way I think about you.
Welcome back to another fall day in my life. This is going to be a fall weekend vlog. I am so excited. I'm in the car right now. It is 4:45 and I'm actually going to pick up my friend Ariella. We're going to go to Montclair and go to Anthropologie. I don't know if Anthropologie is going to have any of their fall decor stuff out because I think more of their Christmas stuff is out now, but I want to look at some of their clothing and see if I like anything in the seasonal accessory area for a giveaway that I'm having soon for the holidays, so definitely stay tuned for that. And then we are going to go to a cute little dinner that should be decorated for fall, so it should be really fun. I have a fun fall day planned tomorrow as well and on Sunday, so I wanted to take you guys along my weekend. But first things first, I'm gonna head to Ariella's house and then we're gonna go to Montclair and look at some of the stores.
I'm used to give all I have. I'm used to get nothing back. Wherever I go, it's the same. There's no excuses, no one to blame. Sometimes I can't understand how it can be so hard to stay out of pain. But with you, everything has changed. Even though we both stay the same. Would you call me on the midnight train? Would you come over when nothing's...
We just went to Urban Outfitters and Anthropologie and got some cute stuff. Anthropologie had a lot of Christmas stuff, but they did still have some fall stuff, which was nice. Now we're going to head to dinner. Finished dinner. It was actually really good. The fries were a little bit questionable.
She thought she was eating truffle fries, but she wasn't. I tried both of them. They're not.
They were truffle fries.
She doesn't even know what truffle tastes like.
Anyways, dinner was good. We're walking back to the car now. It just took us about 80 tries to get this film because of the lighting. We're on a 15-minute walk and I'm not excited about it because I'm freezing and there's a very strange event occurring. I'm scared. So we're going the long way. I don't even know what's happening. I think we're lost. I'll update later. It is now the next day. Dinner was very fun and we ended up not getting lost. We were fine. We got back to the car within like 10 minutes after that clip was taken and I dropped Ariella off and then I just went to my boyfriend's house. Now I'm back home. I have this cute little outfit on. So this shirt is from White Fox. These pants are from American Eagle and then I'm just wearing some Air Force Ones. I'm actually going to a little pumpkin patch in my local town with my mom because we want to carve pumpkins today. It is almost Halloween. I have my Halloween costume already picked out. I'm going to be Little Bo Peep. I'll insert a picture on the screen because I'm actually not going to be here for Halloween weekend. I'm going to be in Cancun for a wedding, so I'm celebrating Halloween this weekend actually, and I am very excited with how my pictures turned out. I think it looks so cute and I overall really like them. Make sure to follow me on Instagram because I will be posting them closer to Halloween on Instagram. This is my little fit for the day. I think it looks pretty cute and we're going to go to the local pumpkin patch in my town, just pick out some pumpkins and then we want to carve pumpkins. I really want to do a bow, but I don't know if my mom's going to want that, so we might do something else. But I've been seeing so many bow pictures on Pinterest that look so cute, but we'll definitely do something that's cute and I wanted to take you guys along and vlog it. And it's a beautiful day out, so I thought this would be a beautiful day to go. And the reason why we're doing it now rather than next week is because I won't be here, so I'm trying to do all of my Halloween and fall activities now. So that's the little plan for today. Here is my cute little outfit and let's go to the pumpkin patch.
Simple, simple, simple minds. I guess we'll take it one by one, baby, one by one. Just different, different, different kinds. We'll try to take it one by one, baby, one by one. Too many problems, I'm already lost.
We just got got back from the little farm. They have a really cute store in there as well. So we got some produce from there, and then we also got a pumpkin. I'm very excited. This is the pumpkin we ended up getting. It looks pretty ripe. The back is a little dented, but it's okay because I'm only going to be carving the front of the pumpkin. I really want to do a bow. I asked my mom, she said that she thinks it's really cute. Let me show you the little inspo picture. So I saw this on Pinterest. I think that's adorable, and I'm honestly not the most artistic when it comes to drawing and having to recreate something. So I might have my mom help me with that because she's really good at that stuff. And then we are just going to carve the pumpkin. I'm also going to take the seeds out and we're going to bake the pumpkin seeds because my family likes them. I personally don't. I just don't like the texture of them, but I know a lot of people do and my family likes them, so we're going to make those. I also wanted to show you guys this cute little fall flower mug that my mom put together. So I got her this mug from Target in a boo basket, and I got these flowers last week when we made Halloween pizzas, and I think this is so cute. She made like a little mug with flowers and it's adorable. So I just wanted to show you guys that because I'm going to use this and the pumpkin and some candles to try and really make it into that fall vibe and very aesthetic. Not that it has to, but I just really enjoy doing that, and I think this is adorable. But first things first, I am going to just wash the pumpkin off a little and make a section in the top so we can take all the seeds out and make sure that the pumpkin is very clean inside, and then we'll start carving it.
Are turning brown.
This is what the bow pumpkin ended up looking like. I think it looks pretty good. We have a flashlight in there right now, and I just wish that the middle piece right here looked a little better, but I think the overall shape looks pretty good. But overall, pretty good experience. Now we're going to bake the pumpkin seeds. It's a little bit later now. The overall pumpkin experience was really fun. I don't enjoy picking apart the pumpkin seeds, so that part was not fun for me, but I did it because my family really likes them, and my mom baked them for the family after. Now I'm actually about to go to Target. I really want to bake something and have a relaxing night. I don't know necessarily what I want to bake, but I'm in the mood to do some fall baking, and as I said, I'm going to Cancun in a week, so I feel like the transition from fall to the holiday content is starting more now. And even though fall is still all of November and I still will be doing fall content, I do want to do a lot of it right now, and I have been doing it since July, so I'm excited to do more fall content and also holiday content and start that transition soon. So I definitely want to do a fall relaxing night. I did one of those the other day and it was honestly so fun, so I definitely want to do another one. So we're gonna head to Target and see if there's any fall baking that I can do. I've been seeing these bear cookies on Pinterest, and something about bears just really reminds me of all the cozy vibes, so I might want to make those, but I don't necessarily know how to make them. So let's just go to Target and see what we can find, and then I'll decide what I'm gonna make. I ended up going to TJ Maxx, HomeGoods, and Target because TJ Maxx and HomeGoods have these holiday molds, and I really wanted to see if they had the pumpkin ones, and they did. So the first thing I got are these pumpkin molds. I want to try to make pumpkin cakes. I think those would be so cute and so good, so I ended up getting these. Then to go along with that, I did just pick up some Funfetti premium cake and cupcake mix with the candy bits. I also decided to get these Favorite Day Toil and Trouble orange, black, and white sprinkles because I think that these would look cute on top and it'll make it a little spooky for Halloween. And then in Target, they had some of their Christmas stuff out, and I really wanted to get it because I felt like if I didn't get it, it might not be there when I go back to get it. So I got this cute little gingerbread man. Right now, I have this Squishmallow in my car. It's from Five Below. It's a bat. I got it last year, and I'm gonna leave this in my car until probably like the middle of November, but I want to switch it out when December comes, so I got this little guy to put in the corner of my car car, and I think he's so cute. Then to go along with that, this is all from the dollar section. I saw these gingerbread and it's broken. I'm gonna bring it back and return it because I did not break that, and that kind of makes me upset. But it's these gingerbread ceramic measuring spoons. I think these are adorable and I am very excited to use these. And then the last thing I got is this really cute Christmas tree. This was kind of expensive for a pillow. It was $20, but I ended up getting it because I did have a gift card, so it was justifiable. And I have a gingerbread pillow on my bed right now, and I wanted another pillow to go next to it that was white or pink, and this was just really cute and really soft and matched my theme, so I ended up getting this. I also wanted to show you guys the bag that I got yesterday from Anthropologie. So as you guys know, I went to Anthropologie with my friend Ariella, and I never knew that Anthropologie did seasonal bags. Look at how pretty this bag is. I know this isn't a Christmas video, so I'm not going to show what's in here yet because I'm making a whole video about this because these are Christmas items, but I just really wanted to show this bag because this is adorable and I definitely want to keep this. I think this is so cool. I didn't know they had holiday bags, but I'm kind of confused as to why they didn't have fall bags, unless they did and they ran out of them. Let me know down below because I usually don't go in the Anthropologie store and end up buying something. If anything, I'll order it online because they're usually out of stock. But very, very cute bag that I wanted to show, and I think it's adorable. But moving on from the Christmas stuff, I'm going to go inside and do some fall baking now. I'm very excited to see how these turn out. I also love how the pumpkin has a top and a bottom, so you could kind of put them together like this and it'll be a bigger pumpkin cake but in a mini version, if that makes sense. And I'm very excited. So hopefully this works. I'm thinking of putting frosting in the middle. I forgot to get frosting. I'll make my own frosting and hopefully it tastes good.
Empty chair across the table, echoes in the room. Shadow stands on barren walls, once with the melodies of you. Memories linger in the air, like whispers in the breeze. I'm longing for your presence, amidst the silence that I see. And I'll be waiting for you, with embers in my heart. Yeah, I've been waiting for you, I promise I will hold on to. Yeah, I'll be waiting for you, with embers in my heart. Yeah, I'll be waiting for you, I promise I will hold on to.
This is what they ended up looking like. I put the two little cakes together for the bottom and the top, and then I put orange Pillsbury frosting in between and also orange Pillsbury frosting on top because I forgot I had some in the fridge, with some sprinkles and a cinnamon stick for the little stem. I think it looks pretty cute, but I wish the mold picked up the pumpkin more. But overall, I think a pretty cute, fun baking experience. It's actually a few days later now, and I just wanted to end out this video. I am so busy preparing for my trip. I leave in 3 days, and I'm so excited for you guys to see the trip vlog and also the packing and preparing vlog. So that is going to be it for this video. If you stayed up until this point of the video, comment this emoji down below, and I will see you guys really soon in my next video. Bye.